Welcome to linked lists, one of my favorite first data structures. Now, the version that I'm going to use in this scenario, it may be different than your instructors, and that's fine. There are going to be a lot of similar setups between this, and the code's going to also be very similar as well. But in general, what you're going to be getting is a mix of a lot of different things. Yes, pointers are in it, objects are in it, and the ability to create dynamic objects at the same time. So you're going to have, like I said, various different setups that you're going to see in books, your professor's notes and stuff like that. Don't worry about that quite yet until we fully understand what's going on with all these sets of videos and notes here. And then you can adjust it to what they want. And that's not really a big deal because you understand the mechanics behind it. So no matter what, let's look at the big picture that you're going to see me call it a couple times during these sets of notes. And that is that we're going to have some type of node that you're used to from either a struct in my case or a class or something of that nature that's going to hold data. And it's going to link, using that little hand there, link to another node that has data. And notice that each one of these nodes are the same overall format. Now the data may be slightly different, but the nodes are constructed exactly the same. The other part is that you'll also notice we have pointers of front, rear, cursor, and previous, which I'll show in a little bit later in my version. And then also we have a value for each one of the nodes has a pointer on its own, which can either be null or another node, and I'll go into that here in a moment. But at least wanted to show you the big picture of what's going on generally in lists, linked lists.